see if I can do this real quick. So, get my calipers here. So basically what I want to do is add a couple spacers, and I'm going to enlarge this hole a little bit. So it's about 3.2 millimeters. Let's see what we got in here. Open it up a millimeter. You just want it. Well, that's a good place for it. So this one should work, and the beautiful thing about this is you should be able to do it by hand. Maybe not. Let's see if we got a smaller one. 3.9. Let's go with 3.9. Let's just open it up to like 4 millimeter. I don't even think I paid $10 for these. I don't remember. I don't have a Nero anymore. And if you're ever working with plastic, you should always have a nice sharp deburr tool. This one's been used on metal a couple of times and it just doesn't work as good. I've got a brand new one in my field box, but I'm not going to dig for it. Okay. So I open these holes up to about 4 millimeters. Oh, this material is something else. Alright. If you don't have calipers, go pick some up. You can get a digital pair for probably $10 if you wanted to. I would at least get 6-inch. Get those little 4-inch ones, you ain't got anything to hold on to. Alright. So what I did differently is I got these washers. These are some hot racing spacers that I bought. They're relative. They were pretty cheap. The packaging looks like this. Just HR. You get some M3, some M4s, M3 millimeter holes, M4 millimeter holes, whatever. So this guy's going over here. Let's get some business out of the way. And we will turn you this way. So we're going to be working on right here. Right, and that's this guy. So it's going to go spacer. How many times do you think I'm going to mess this up before I actually get one on there? Oh, and these, I should measure. So these spacers are, I don't know, probably 3 millimeter thick with a 3 millimeter hole. You can see that still works there. If it's a problem, you can put a washer on it, but grab our, ooh, I got a mess going here on this guy here. So let's get this one started. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I can't really. Okay, so that's just barely started. I'm going to get another one going here just by picking up on it, doing that, and then you should just be able to, if you can find it, there you go. There you go, it's in there. Hopefully. Got it spaced a little bit. Don't know how important that is, but I wanted to try it spaced. Tighten these by hand so I can feel them if they're going to hit bottom or something. They hit bottom, you're just gonna pull your threads out. I don't even know if Arrma makes mud guards for. Alright. So there is the Arrma Nero mud guard on the Kraton. Got the front ones here, and they go this way. The front ones could be made to work, but you'd have to drill holes. They don't line up that great. I don't know. Yeah, they don't line up. You could use the front ones too. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember, check the video description below. I'll have a link to all these parts, including everything I've used in my Kraton build so far.